Hello, this is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City, a part of Redbud Realty and Associates. It's October 14, 2013, and the year's just flying by. But what a great year for Oklahoma City, and I want to talk about our market conditions as they are right now. Now, as many of you know, at this time that there's still not a budget resolution in Washington, D.C. Usually that's going to be a big problem for a lot of areas. Certainly Virginia and Washington, D.C. itself, we know, have a terrible impact going for them in terms of what's going on. That is not the condition here. To go around Oklahoma City, to go to the malls and the shops and the supermarkets, certainly you do not see any evidence of the fact that there's been any kind of slowdown here. Matter of fact, when it comes to housing, which is what I'm involved in, you don't see a slowdown either. The rates are still low, people are still confident, our unemployment is still low, business is coming in, and so nothing has really stopped. In fact, it's actually increased. We're getting record sales from many areas around the Oklahoma City metropolitan area. So here it's extremely good. One thing I would particularly point out is new construction. This is always something that's extremely important for the economy. It's one of the greatest job creators that there is, and in Oklahoma City, it's just flying. I mean, it is a situation now that we are not meeting demand on new construction, although our builders are still building at incredibly affordable pricing. That is the thing that's just absolutely remarkable. I mean, I closed on a home the other day, a little over $100 a square foot with a 3-car garage in a wonderful gated neighborhood, granite countertops throughout, absolutely upgrades and everything that you can think of, oak cabinets, fencing, sprinkler system, everything that you could possibly put into a home to make it a really wonderful home was in there. And so our pricing is still extremely good. Now, one thing that I would talk to investors about, we are still selling a lot of investment property. Again, that happens to be my specialty. Investment property is also flying off the shelf when we can find it. We do have the ability to making deals with builders because of the quantity that we deal in. We are dealing all over Oklahoma City because we're not trying to just concentrate on one suburb. We certainly don't want to oversaturate the neighborhood. So investment property is going extremely well. Rentals are going extremely well in the Oklahoma City market. In fact, if you want to know about the rental market, Forbes just declared Oklahoma City is the 4th best return on investment of any major city that you can invest in the United States. So if we look at the inventory levels, traditional homes, existing homes, they're still low. New homes are ramping up, but they are selling extremely fast. The rental market is extremely good, therefore the investor market is extremely good. We don't see this abating. In fact, we see it even getting stronger in 2014. We see appreciation, much stronger prices than we've seen in the last 6 years. And remember, we didn't have a market meltdown going on in Oklahoma City. So the condition of the market, and I'm not trying to be an overly optimistic person, I'm just looking at the numbers as I see them and they look terrific. This is a great place to buy a property. This is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City, where we deliver traditional real estate values at the speed of technology.